Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Twitch saves your broadcasts and you have access to the VOD files. Once done, download the VOD or confirm auto archive so a full MP4 is available. Next, prepare your YouTube channel with proper title templates and 9 export settings to avoid cropping. Make sure you have the right metadata, game, tags, and a clear thumbnail plan. This first step prevents rework and speeds the rest of the upload process. Now you edit the Twitch VOD for YouTube viewing. Cut dead air, consolidate highlights, and paste the content for 15 to 60 minutes if you want better retention. Once edited, export as H.264 MP4 at 1080p and a 3000-6000 kbps bitrate to balance quality and upload time. After export, craft a compelling thumbnail, set chapters for navigation, and write a concise description. Upload the finalized MP4 to YouTube Studio, fill in title, tags, and description, then choose Immediate Publish or schedule a premiere for promotion. Make sure to enable monetization and run copyright checks. Add notes for any licensed overlays or music to avoid strikes. If YouTube flags quality or thumbnail issues, re-encode at a higher bitrate or remake the thumbnail and reupload. If audio sync drifts, remux audio with the video. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep the original edit so you can quickly replace files.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.